It's Ramadan. Here are some great ideas for you to try. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings for Adventures. I want to wish you Ramadan Mubarak. I have some great ideas for you to try. Stay tuned for all of these recipes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and that you rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. These Persian lamb shanks are cooked low and slow. Saffron is allowed to steep, while the lamb shanks are marinated in salt and pepper, spices, garlic, rose petals, lemon juice, and oil. And it's cooked with onion, rosewater, and saffron. Next, I have an earthy and rich halim. A mixture of lentils are ground, sautéed in ghee, and cooked. And using my Instant Pot, mutton is cooked in ghee with whole spices, fried onions, ginger and garlic paste, spices, chilies, yogurt, and herbs. This soft meat is shredded, taken off the bone, and then cooked together with lentils. Now for my infamous chicken 65 biryani. Chicken 65 is cooked in a very special blend of spices. Rice is half cooked. And the two are layered to make the most delicious dish. BHUNA gosht is a very special preparation of mutton or lamb. It's first sautéed with spices, then pressure cooked, and sautéed again with yogurt. And then it's cooked down till it's dry. And let's end with something sweet. This ice halwa is cool. Sauté semolina with ghee and cardamom seeds. Milk is then added with some saffron strands. This is then cooked down with ghee. once it gets sticky, it's rolled out into a single layer. This will take a day or so to dry out and set, and it's delish. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed these very simple ideas. The link to all of these recipes is in a playlist at the end of this video, as well as I'm going to leave it in the description. I hope you get a chance to try out all these recipes for yourself and you enjoy it. If you're celebrating Ramadan right now, Ramadan Mubarak, and if you're using these recipes for Eid, I want to wish you a very happy and blessed Eid. Take care. Bye-bye.